I never thought that I would have to make a video like this so soon into my YouTube career. But I feel like I've been lying to you guys. I feel like a fraud. A few weeks ago, or maybe it was a month ago now, I made a video about a DIY softbox. And I feel like I've led you to believe the lighting that you've seen in my videos since then has been from that DIY softbox. It's time to come clean. I bought a softbox. 2, actually. I'm going to show you how to set them up. Sorry for the dramatic intro, but did I get you? Let's go. Alright, so we're down here on my anti-echo dog duvet, and this is the set that I bought. Now, I did buy these on Tokopedia, which is like the Indonesian Amazon, but I will leave a link in the description below for the US and UK equivalent, because apparently that's where most of my audience is from. It's kind of just like a generic brand that's like made in a mass factory somewhere and then shipped out across the world. Even if you don't buy or already have that brand, you probably have something similar. In the box, you should get a diffuser sheet, a light stand for it to all go on, and then of course the actual softbox itself. Depending on the set that you buy, you may or may not have a light bulb included, so make sure to get one of those if it's not included. To set up the softbox, it just opens up like an umbrella, and you've got to push down on this central ring until it goes over the light bulb holder. Now, it does feel like it's gonna break, but you've just got to really push down and don't worry about it. You might get it stuck just on one side, so just try and get the whole circle over. It does seem to take a few attempts, and then it should look like this. Yours might have a lock-in mechanism, so you can twist it to one side or the other to make sure it's locked. So once you've got that central circle piece down, it should look like this, and it will be nice and solid. You can't really squish it down more. Next, you want to take the light stand, and you can remove this black thing. It's just for, I guess, protecting the thread there. And then to open the legs, there's, on mine anyway, there's a twiddly bit here, so make sure that you loosen that so you can open the legs easily. And then you can adjust that later, like what positioning you want to put the legs in. And again, you can loosen these twiddly bits so you can make the pole go longer. And then don't forget to tighten it up again. Now, on the softbox itself, you want to loosen this part, but you need to loosen this part first so you can actually adjust and move this so it's got room to loosen up. When you've loosened the screw from this part all the way, you can use this hole to put it on top of the stand. Then when you've put it on, make sure to tighten it up again, lefty-loosey, tighty-righty. When this part is tight, you can move the softbox to an easier position, and again, just tighten that part up too. Now just take your light bulb and screw it into this part. Don't screw it in too tightly though, because that actually damages light bulbs. For the final touch, take your diffuser sheet, and there should be Velcro strips on this, which will attach to Velcro on the outside of the softbox. And voila! Last thing to do is plug it in. And voila! You've set up your softbox light. When I was looking for videos on how to set up these lights, nobody was actually showing me how to put that central ring piece in, and I thought I was going to break it. So hopefully this video helped you and you've got your lights up, ready and rolling. Most videos out there talk about the positioning of the lights, which I will go into in another video, so don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye!